drinking water, sanitation, hygiene, and housing conditions in India. The National Statistical Office (NSO) under the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation has conducted a survey on drinking water, sanitation, hygiene and housing conditions as a part of 76th round of National Sample Survey. Drinking water, sanitation, hygiene and housing conditions of India. Objective: the objective of drinking water, sanitation, hygiene and housing conditions survey of India is to collect the information and to develop suitable indicators to assess living conditions of the household at national and state level. Indicators: the important indicators of the living conditions assessed in the report include the percentage of households using the improved sources of drinking water, getting sufficient drinking water, having drinking water facility within the household premises, having access to latrine, using improved latrine facilities, having arrangements for garbage disposal, having drainage arrangements, and so on. Important definitions. What is the meaning of household? A household in India is defined as a group of persons who normally live together and take food from a common kitchen. The key highlights: the number of households and the household size. The number of households in India are 271 million. Out of those, rural 178 million rural households and 93 million urban households. The average size of the household in India is 4.3 per household, rural 4.5 and urban 3.9. Description of an item. The estimated number of households you can see here. Estimated number of households in millions: rural 178 and urban 92, and total overall 271 millions. Estimated number of persons in million: 807 million and 375 million persons. Overall this many. An average household size 4.5 in rural and urban 3.9, and overall average 4.3. So this is the survey results of an household survey. The living conditions. Basically we need few items that we are going to discuss in leading to the survey. So those are: first one include drinking water. The principal source of drinking water in the rural area and the urban area are given below. The principal source of drinking water in the rural area is a hand pump, 43% households, and urban area piped water, that is 47% households. Access to the principal source of drinking water. Rural area, only 48% of the households have the exclusive principal source. 30% of the public resource meant for community use, and about 10% have principal source in a common building. In urban area, about 57% of the households have exclusive principal source, and 10% use public resource meant for community use, and 17% have the principal source in a common building. Sufficiency of drinking water from a principal source. About 89% of the households get sufficient water from the principal source. In the rural areas, this number is 87.6%, and the urban areas it is 91%. So sufficient drinking water through the principal source is available. What is the principal source? Hand pump and the piped water. So quality of the drinking water. About 65% of the households in India use untreated water. In the rural 72% and the urban 51%. So there is a high quality of untreated water in the rural areas. Distance from the principal source. You can see here the rural areas are having percentage of households very near, that is within the area. There are rural areas, there are only few households, and whereas urban there are many. And outside dwelling within the premises. Outside premises less than 0.2 kilometers, and outside the premises 0.2 kilometers or more. So there is a scenario. Distance to the principal water in the rural areas when compared to the urban areas is slightly more. Is slightly less. And next one is bathroom. Access to household to bathroom. Only 68% of the Indian households have access to bathroom. In the rural areas, only 57% rural have the access to bathroom, and in urban only urban 91% have the access to bathroom, and 59% have access to exclusive use of the bathroom. Access to household to latrine. Only 80% of the households have some form of access to the latrines. Rural 71% and urban 96%. Here urban is a slightly better case, but the rural still need to improve, and only 68% have access to exclusive use of the latrines. About 3.5% in the rural areas and 1.7% in the urban areas never used latrine. It is a very different scenario. Availability of water in or around the latrine. The water was not available to 3.5% of the households in India, and in rural 4.5% and urban 2.1%. Practice of hand washing. About 60% of the Indian households wash hand only with water before a meal. 74% of the hand wash with soap after defecation. Because it is such a hand washing is need to be improved, and drainage facilities. Only 72% of the households have the drainage facility in India. Rural 61 and urban 92. Garbage collection. About 72.4% in villages disposed of household garbage either in the household individual dumping spot or in a common place other than the community dumping spot. In cities, proportion is 70%. About 80% of the rural households and 26% of the urban households have no arrangement for the collection of the household garbage. In the rural, such scenario have a great impact on the drainage system in the urban drainage system. Note, the relevant data with respect to the water and sanitation is collated for use in mains answers while writing highlighted the related problems.